Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, remote engine start. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, footwell lights,